Hey, what have we got? What have we got? It's a big box. It is HOSUN Grow Light with Adjustable Stand for seed starting indoor growth. Might be difficult to show this to you in the small amount of space I have available here, but we'll give it a whirl. Yes, that was left-handed knife wielding, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there's a lot of foam. I think this was put in the box upside down. We've got the smallest of manuals. Apparently you get your grow light, you get a cord, you get a connection cable, you get 2 bases, a pair of telescopic rods, and you have to notice a screw has been screwed in at the bottom of each telescopic rod. Please unscrew them first when installing. A wise precaution always. Okay, and just in case I can't show you this whole thing, it looks like this. Oh, jeez. There's the diagram of what it should look like when completed. The HOSUN Grow Light with Stand. So you get a main cord, plugs into the wall. You got your switchy switch. You have a great big long, that's pretty long. This is about, do I have a tape measure handy? Yeah, I'm gonna go with 18 inches long. And these are your stands. And the bases are here. To give you an idea of what the size is. So that's your plate. This, give you an idea of scale. If you know how big these are, so 4 times the size of an XL mince package, and that's your plate. Yeah, if you notice, there are 3, apparently 2 or 2 different types of LEDs on there to give you your full spectrum. So you get all the light that a growing plant thing needs. All right, it's the HOSUN Grow Light with Adjustable Stand.